Right? Find a unit vector orthogonal to two given vectors. Again, what does it mean when they say find a vector orthogonal to? No. Exactly. That's what. So what this part here means, do cross product. Right? That'll be the first step. What about the unit vector part? How do you turn a vector into a unit vector? And then do what with it? You divide by the magnitude, right? So the first step will be we need to take a cross product to find the orthogonal vector. The second step will be divide by the magnitude. Okay, well, let's do the cross product. I'm going to, again, in order to do the cross product, I'm going to write these in component form on top of each other so that the matrices are obvious, right? U equals, what's the component form of that U vector? Good. And V. Come on now. Negative 3, 6, 0. It doesn't have a K, so negative 3, 6, 0. Okay. So now let's do the cross product. U cross with V equals. Okay, cover up the first. Negative 4 times 0 minus 1 times 6. 0 minus 6. Negative 6. Okay, the second one will have a negative in front of it. Cover it up. 3 times 0 minus 1 times negative 3. 0 minus negative 3 is like 3, right? But then you got to put the minus, which is part of the formula, so it becomes negative 3. Right? So again, you did the 0 minus negative 3 was positive 3. But because in the formula for cross product there is a negative in front of the second component, it's negative 3. Okay, last one. What is that? It's minus 12, right? It's 3 times 6 minus negative 4 times negative 3 is 18 minus positive 12, because negative times negative, which is 6. Okay? So there's the U cross V. Okay? Now we need to divide it by the magnitude of U cross V. Okay, well, what is the magnitude? The magnitude of U cross V is the square root of squared, right? Negative 6 squared plus negative 3 squared plus 6 squared, which is 36 plus 9 plus 36, which is 81, which is 9. So we got to divide these by 9. And as you could imagine, we'd probably simplify that. Right? Negative 6 over 9, negative 2/3. Negative 3 over 9, negative 1/3. 6 over 9, 2/3. Done.